Hi everyone, welcome to the Barberin Cooking webinar. Today we are at Barberin Sand Ayurvedic Resort. I am Janaka and this is our chef Sanjeeva. Good digestion is the key to good health. Therefore, we have selected balanced nutrition diet we will make. Barberin Ayurvedic style soup, mixed nut rice, potato tempered. This soup will help to improve your digestion. The food we are prepared at Barberin Resort is easy to digest and good for your health. So now we are going to start with the soup. For that we are going to use some Sri Lankan spices like coriander. This one little bit crushed and roasted already, and cumin seeds. Turmeric powder and some curry powder. For these things we are not using any oil. Then we are going to add some onion. Garlic, and some ginger, and lemongrass, some curry leaves and pandan leaves. This is curry leaves. Some cinnamons. Pandan leaf. Pepper. And the pandan leaves, sliced chopped one. So now you need to mix all the ingredients. Without any butter or oil. So when you toast in this one, it will increase the flavors. After that we are going to add some boiled potatoes, then it will give nice thickness to the soup. So while you mix in all the ingredients, you can slightly mash the potatoes. Then after that we are going to add some vegetable stock. Then we need to mix it well. So how we make this vegetable stock? So we use some root vegetables like onions, celery and carrot. We put it to the fan, then we boil it like 2-3 hours. Then we can make nice stock like this. So we need to cook this one like 10 to 15 minutes. So no point of waiting for this one. Then we are going to move to next item. So soup is our appetizer, and now we are going to show you our main course is mixed nut rice. So for this one we are using steamed basmati rice. In our resorts, Barberin resort, we are using this one because this one very good for diabetic patients, and plus we using some cashew nuts already soaked in the water, and this is chopped almond nuts. So now chef going to heat the pan, then add in olive oils. Now you can add some chopped onions. Some garlic. Ginger. Some pandan leaves. Now we add in some carrots. Then we're going to add chopped almonds. And chopped cashew nuts. When the mixture becomes slightly golden color, we add in the leeks. So now we're going to add some pinch of salt. And now we're going to add steamed basmati rice. And you need to mix it very well. So now you can see our mixed nut rice is finished. Now we're going to make potato tempered. For this one we need boiled potatoes and some chopped onions, mustard seeds. So we heat the pan and add in some olive oils. Then we add in some mustard seeds, cardamom, 2 pods, cinnamon, pandan leaves, then we add in chopped onions, sliced onions, When the onion becomes slightly brown color, then we add in some turmeric powder, and it will give a nice color to the onions. Then we're going to add the chili flakes. And pepper. Then you need to mix it well. Now you can see onions are beautifully cooked. Now we're going to add some salt. Mix well, then after that we are going to add boiled potatoes. Then you need to slowly mix the ingredients together. You need to do it very carefully, otherwise the potato will mash. So potato also you can see is done. So now we are going to move to the soup again. Soup එක මේලි පට ගන්න. So while you stir in the soup, you need to smash the potatoes also. So now you can see the soup is become little bit thicker. Then we're going to add the coconut, fresh coconut milk. So if you cannot find coconut milk in your countries, you can add fresh milks too. Then we are adding some salt. Now you can see after you add the milk, it's become a cream. It's become a thick soup. And we add some lime juice. Okay. So soup also done. After you add some lemon juice, you need to stir a little bit, otherwise it will become curdle. So now we're going to serve the soup. So this is how we serve Barberin style Ayurvedic soup. Okay. මේක තලලා ගන්න. So this is how we serve to our guests mixed nut rice. And this is our beautifully cooked potato tempered. So thank you for joining our cooking webinar. We look forward to welcome you and next Sunday at the same time with another webinar. We wish you good day. Ayubowan.